Welcome all. In this session, I am going to discuss you about the concept of potential energy of a spring. So previously ended with the concept of work. So in this is an interesting unit, and we are dealing with initially the work and the kinetic energy. How the work, that is the work done. So work done enna paathom, work done la potential energy na then kinetic energy, idellame basics is very important. We have seen the basics behind the work done. Okay, then work done is treated as fixed static forces and variable force. Not static force, the force that is a constant force and a variable force. Renda split panikkom concept. So the one part is a constant force, and for a constant force we discuss the work done, and for a variable force we discussed about the work done concept. For force there is a kinetic energy is being jumped into the concept. So we dealt with the kinetic energy concept. So how the work done is related with the kinetic energy. So for a variable force, what is the kinetic energy? So there is the initial kinetic energy and there is the final kinetic energy. So there is a change in kinetic energy. So we concluded with the equations that are dealing with such type of concepts. And now in this session, the potential energy. So what is the potential energy? Around discuss potential energy na, it is a stored energy. That is a stored energy or the capacity to do work. In the very simple definitions oda mudichirukkom. So the stored energy in an object you call it as the potential energy. So now we will discuss the potential energy of a spring. So spring அப்படினாலே நம்ம எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரு இன்ட்ரஸ்டிங் ஃபேக்டர் தான். And லைஃப்ல எல்லா பார்ட்டுமே நிறைய தடவை என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம், in many cases we have used this spring. The spring concept என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம் லைஃப்ல, இது இல்லாம நம்ம யூஸ் நிறைய அப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. So this spring is an object. This spring object is made using many of the real time applications. Real time application is spring is ஒரு பெரிய கான்செப்ட். சரியா? That means it is an object that can store the energy and can release the energy and regain its energy. எனர்ஜியை ஸ்டாட்டிக்கா இருக்க ஒரு எனர்ஜியை டைனமிக்கா மாத்திட்டு திரும்ப ஸ்டாட்டிக்கா கொண்டு வந்து சேர்க்கக்கூடிய தன்மை இந்த ஸ்ப்ரிங்கிற்கு இருக்கு. That means it is an object that can release its energy and store the energy by itself, provided when an external force is applied. So ஒரு force கொடுத்தா என்ன ஆகுது, அந்த forceனால the spring is being either compressed or expanded, and that force is regained by the spring. That force is lost or regained by the spring by itself, okay, due to the conservation. So now I will discuss with a proper example. So you consider this situation, the criteria. We have an object, or mass irukku. This is a mass, object of mass m, or block. This is a block, and this is connected to a spring. We consider this is a spring. And now one point of the spring is connected to a rigid wall and other part is connected to a wooden block. Now I will consider the center axis. Wooden block or center axis or reference axis. I am considering the center axis of the wooden block as reference axis. So that is x equal to 0. Now then I am drawing another diagram here. I will draw 3 diagrams consecutively. Let us see what happens here. So this is the initial, that is no force is being applied on the block. Now force in the blocking, I am not giving any force on this block. This block and the spring is in equilibrium. Okay. So now here this is the no force. This second one, expanded force, expansion. Second one is the compression. Okay. So this block is displaced by some distance x. This block is displaced by some distance x. Okay. So now what happens is the spring is expanded. Spring enadu expand agudhu. The third one is compression. The spring is compressed. So draw the diagram very carefully and listen to it. You see the spring when it is expanded, how it is expanded, how it is compressed. We are giving an external force. Now external force கொடுத்து இது expand பண்றேன், compress பண்றேன். So we are going to study about the two constraints. Okay. What is the law behind it? That is when it is expanded by giving some force F. I am pulling it. Okay. Some force is being given for pulling it. What is the force given by the spring on the mass? What is the effect of spring? So what is the property of the spring? The spring always tends to retain its equilibrium position. Spring oda property another, it will always tend to retain its equilibrium position. Okay. Now a force கொடுத்தா அதே நம்ம equivalent ஆன opposite force கொடுக்கும். So as per the Newton's law, third law. So this spring when it is expanded, okay, it will give an equivalent force on its own side, okay, to the force that I gave. Spring now there is a displacement of the mass due to my force. Due to my force I am displacing this mass. Okay, that is I am expanding. How much displacement? I am displacing it by a distance of x. Then what is the force of the spring? The force of the spring is mentioned as Fs. The direction of force, so displacement direction is a also the displacement is a vector. The force is also a vector. Now the force Fs means the S refers to the spring. The force of the spring on the wooden block is Fs. That will be on the left side. Okay. So now Fs equal to negative of k times x. Okay. What is this k? K is a what? K is a constant. That is the rigidity of the spring. K denotes the rigidity of the spring. How far? That is a spring may be soft or rigid. Okay. Spring எப்படி இருக்கலாம்? பைக்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களோட 2-wheeler பைக்ல ஸ்ப்ரிங் இருக்கு ஃப்ரண்ட்ல. குஷன் நல்ல not cushion, sorry, suspension. So for a good suspension you need a proper spring. Spring proper design பண்ணாதான் you will get a suspension. Okay. So அப்ப spring proper ஆன ரிஜிடாவும் இருக்கணும், suspend ஆகணும். Then after suspending, okay, after compression it should again come to its actual position. After compressing it should come to its actual position. Okay. So the concept is நான் கொடுக்கிற force என்ன பண்ணும், spring will hold up, again it will expand. That is the tendency of the property of the spring. Okay. Now the force that is applied is reflected by the spring. This spring, what happens? It will give the same force. The force is proportional to the displacement. Okay, if displacement is more, the spring force is more. For example, mathematically, Fs is proportional to x. x எந்த அளவுக்கு நான் டிஸ்ப்ளே அதிகப்படுத்தணும் அந்த அளவுக்கு ஸ்ப்ரிங் ஃபோர்ஸ் அதிகமா இருக்கும். வெரி பெஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள், ஒரு ரப்பர் பேண்டை சும்மா கொஞ்சமா எழுதுனா ஓகே எந்த அளவுக்கு ஃபோர்ஸ் இருக்கும். if I am stretching it for more ஓகே ஒரு bow and arrow கான்செப்ட் தான். கொஞ்சமா arrow என்ன பண்றேன் புல் பண்ணி விட்டனா எவ்வளவு வரும். நல்ல வேகமா ஸ்ட்ரெச் பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும். the same spring concept okay. so the displacement is more, the force of the spring is also more. the Fs are the force given by the spring on the object, the force given by the spring on the wooden block. so if this X is more, this Fs is also more, so both are directly proportional. then mathematical concept, this is Fs equal to negative k times x. proportionality constant is negative, and the negative sign is enna this force is opposite to the direction of x. ஏனா spring or force or direction opposite to that. so since this is opposite to the direction of x, I am introducing this negative sign. so this negative indicates direction of Fs is opposite to displacement. so that is the logic here. okay, now what is this k? K is a constant. K को value है. K is a constant. K is a constant. The value of K is higher the value of K, higher more rigid the spring. K oda value ரொம்ப அதிகமா இருந்துச்சுனா, if the value of K is more, the rigidity of the spring is more. For example, I will draw the ஒரு சாஃப்ட் ஸ்ப்ரிங் இருக்கு. பெஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள் உங்க பென்னிலே என்ன ஸ்ப்ரிங் இருக்கதா செய்யும். yeah I have this spring அழுத்துறீங்கல pen lead pen, if you are pushing and pulling it out, there is a spring inside it. okay, the softness is very soft spring is there. that is this spring is very soft. okay, not so much of force it will give. okay, and we can very easily expand, we can very easily compress the soft spring. okay, that means the K is less. K is less. You consider a spring okay like this. you see the thickness of the spring. this is also a spring, but you see the thickness of the metal. okay, you see the thickness of this rod. okay, how rigid it is. அது உங்களால compress பண்ண முடியாது, manually compress பண்ண முடியாது. that means this type of spring are used in vehicles with heavy loads. okay, vehicle ல யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. okay, ட்ரெயின்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா கீழ நீங்க எல்லாரும் கண்டிப்பா பார்த்திருப்பீங்க, ட்ரெயின்ல கம்பார்ட்மென்ட் கீழ வீல்ஸ் கனெக்ட் பண்றதுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி ரெசினான ஸ்ப்ரிங் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. okay, அப்பதான் என்ன ஆகுது, the vibrations will be arrested in the spring. the spring is very mainly used for arresting the vibrations in a vehicle. okay, so this arrests the vibration in the vehicle. so அப்ப என்னன்னா நான் ஒரு ஃபோர்ஸ் கொடுத்தாலும் சரி, vibration means it is also a force. okay, so when the force is applied by the movement of the vehicle towards the earth, okay, that force is arrested by the spring, and it also now float ஆயிட்டே இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். okay, இந்த spring now compress ஆகும், expand ஆகும். there will be a constant compression expansion will be done by the spring. எந்த அளவுக்கு compress ஆகுதோ at the same time it can get expanded. okay, அப்பதான் என்ன ஆகும், vehicle ப்ராப்பரா ஒரு குஷன்ல இருக்க மாதிரி மெயின்டைன் பண்ண முடியும். so that is a very best application of the spring. so that is determined by the value of K. so here so Fs is equal to negative of K times x. So this is compression. Compress பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? So I need to know the work done. Okay. So when I am expanding this, some work is being done for moving this wooden block. Okay. So you make a note of this. Also, the work done is the point of the displacement is changed. The point of displacement is changed because initially this is x equal to 0. This is a 0 line. The line full of x oda value is 0. அப்ப ஒரு initial point ல இருந்து final point க்கு என்ன பண்ணிருக்கேன் நான் displace பண்ணிருக்கேன். I am moving. So what is the work done? Work done. Here the force is a variable. ஏனா ஸ்ப்ரிங்ங்கிறது ஒரு கான்ஸ்டன்ட்டான ஃபோர்ஸ் கொடுக்கல. எந்த அளவுக்கு நீங்க எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்றீங்களோ அந்த அளவுக்கு அது ஃபோர்ஸ் கொடுக்கும். ஓகே? எவ்வளவு கம்ப்ரஸ் பண்றீங்களோ அதுவும் ஃபோர்ஸ் கொடுக்கும். It is a variable force. The force given by the spring is a variable force. So now work done is W is equal to integral of 0 to x. That is the final question. So that is f of x dx. So the 0 point ல final point varaikum. Again if I standardize the 0 ல வேற எங்கயாவது இருக்குனா if the wooden block is already in some place I can convert it into initial point. I can consider as x initial to x final f of x dx. Okay. So that means this is 0 ங்கிறது நான் initially நான் consider பண்ணிருக்கேன். I have considered the 0 as an initial point. If the point is somewhere நான் இங்க இருந்தே அனலைஸ் பண்றேன். இப்போ this is initial point. Further இங்க இருந்து நான் என்ன எடுத்தேனா this is the constraint. initially இங்கே இருக்கு. Okay. ஹோல்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். இதுக்கு அப்புறம் நான் further எடுத்தா இது initial point. நான் இங்க இருந்து அனலைஸ் பண்றேன். If I am start analyzing from this point to some other point, that is the initial point, and somewhere if the wood is here means that is the final point. So when the initial point to final point is the force is varying. The force is varying between two points, that is initial point and final point. Okay. So standard என்ன எழுத பண்ற நீ எப்படி 0 ஐ xi ன்னு போட்டாலும் இல்ல xi ங்கிறது initial point. So இங்க 0 ன்னு வெச்சிருக்கேன். I have considered this as 0. maybe நான் x ஐ இங்க இருந்து எடுத்தா என்ன ஆகும் 1 2 3 4 5 போட்டா இந்த initial point 5 வெச்சிருக்கேன். ஓகே எவ்வளவு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் இருக்கு 6 7. ஓகே மேத்தமேட்டிக்கலா பாத்தீங்கன்னா வேல்யூ சொல்லலாம் 0 எங்க வெச்சிருக்க listen carefully. I am considering 0 here and I am moving by 2 centimeters move பண்ணனா what is the distance? That is 2 only. Okay, the same 0 is considered here. 5 and 7 move பண்றேன். Okay, wooden block 5 ல இருக்கு. I am moving by distance of 2 centimeters. That means what is the distance? 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, reference point நான் எதை வேணாலும் எடுத்துக்கலாம். Here for the best explanation I am much focusing on the wooden block. Okay, wooden block initial point ல இருந்து மூவ் பண்றேன். So அதுக்கு தான் என்ன பண்றது x equal to 0 ங்கிறது reference is considered for the block itself. So now after integrating what is w is equal to what is f of x? That is xi xf negative of kx dx. Then w is equal to negative k times x square by 2. Then what is x initial? X final. Then w is equal to negative k into x f square by 2 minus wait or taking this 1 by 2 outside x square xf. So x integrate பண்ணா x square by 2. So உங்களுக்கு previous integral formula power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay. So W is equal to minus k by 2 times x square by x f square minus xi square. That is, the work done W is minus k x f square by 2 plus k xi square by 2. Deriving this, what I will get? So W is equal to k times xi square by 2 minus k times x f square by 2. So this is the work done formula for this potential energy of the spring when it is expanded. So the same concept, this is a final equation. This equation speaks much. In the equation proper in the concept read panna. So initial question if xi is 0, what will be the equation in the part 0 value? If xi is 0, then W is equal to minus k xf by 2. Okay. Now, இது ஒரு cyclic process இருந்தா என்ன? Listen students, the important thing என்னன்னா இது ஒரு cyclic process. இப்போ இழுத்துட்டு விட்டுட்டு என்ன ஆகும்? போயிட்டு திரும்ப சேம் ஒரு ரப்பர் பேண்டை இழுக்கறேன். விட்டுட்டு என்ன ஆகும்? the same position போயிடும். ஸ்ப்ரிங்கும் அப்படிதான். ஸ்ப்ரிங் இழுக்கறீங்க, when you pull it and you leave it, what happens? The spring will go to its actual position. ஒரு ஸ்ப்ரிங்கை இழுத்து விட்டா என்ன ஆகும்? expand ஆயிட்டு திரும்ப same position ஆகும். Sometimes there will be oscillations in the spring. Sometimes there will be some oscillations in the spring, but finally it will go to the actual position. So the இது oscillate ஆனாலும் சரி, அது ஒரு cyclic process தான். Final initial and it will go settle down its initial position after all the energy is being lost. So the energy is conserved for the spring. So total energy என்ன இருக்கும்? Potential இருக்கிறது kinetic ஆ மாறும், kinetic இருக்கிறது potential ஆ மாறும். So both the energies are conserved. So okay, so the energy is conserved in the spring. Okay, so the for a cyclic process na enna, if both the initial and final points are same, okay, I am expanding and leaving means it will go to its initial xi la ஆரம்பிச்சு திரும்ப xi லே முடிஞ்சதுனா then it is a cyclic process. இழுக்கறேன், if I am pulling it and if I leave it, where does this block again goes to the same point. If I leave it means the block will again go to the same point. That means the initial point is the same. So if xf is equal to xi, the work done is 0. Okay, the entire work done is 0. So work done करते हैं ना force equal to work done is equal to force times displacement. So starting la work done la enna படிச்சிருக்கோம். Work done நால if there is only displacement இருந்தா தான் அங்க work done ஆயிருக்கும். இல்ல ஒரு force கொடுத்திருந்தா தான் அங்க work done ஆயிருக்கும். Clear? So two concepts are there. A work is done only if some force is given or if some displacement is being taken place. Clear? So here you see, if the initial point is here, it reaches the final point, and due to the force of the spring, if it is again coming to the initial point, both the initial and final point is now same. Okay, so this is a cyclic process, and here the work done is 0. There is no displacement. Okay, there is no displacement of this block. Initial and final both are same. So here the diagram is very important. The same thing can be applied for this compression. Compression adhe concept da. அப்ப நீங்க compress பண்ணீங்கன்னா listen students, the force oda value என்னது positive ஆ இருக்கும். Force oda value listen Fs will be as the force value will be positive kx. The force value will be positive kx. Okay, now this Fs is plus ks. Why? Because the force of the spring towards, now இப்படி கொடுத்தனா when I am giving a force, this is okay, this is compression. The spring will be what, pushing it away from it due to the compression. Okay, so the Xc means C denotes the compression. Okay, the force of the spring will be positive. Okay, so if Xc is negative, Fs is positive, and if X is not Xc, if X is negative, Fs is positive. If X is positive, Fs is negative. Clear? That's possible. That I can show you with the area concept. Mathematical area which ஒரு expression define பண்ணலாம். I will draw you. So please, I will move from the board. You first draw it. You write all the things carefully, and don't tell that I couldn't follow the board. I will move from the board, students. You write it very clearly. If you have any doubts, please make a note of the doubts at the same page and the same point. You can pause the video and write the page. Okay, students. Now to copy the area. So while compression, I will write the work done. So W is equal to the work done during the compression is Kxm square by 2. That is will be positive. இது compressionல positive ஆ இருக்கும். So I will take the displacement x in horizontal axis, the force on the vertical axis. So what is the formula? The formula that is given is F is equal to negative kx is, this is defined as Hooke's law. So this formula is called as the Hooke's law. So remember, students, this is very important. This formula you call it as Hooke's law. In the formula for the spring Fs. So mathematically நான் describe பண்றேன். இது எப்படி மேத்ஸ்ல இதையும் அதையும் கம்பேர் பண்ணலாம்னு சொன்னேன். I have what are the variables here? The variable is force is a variable. K is a constant and x is a variable. So this is an equation. Here F is a variable, K is a constant, X is a variable. Now, you remember the formula in maths, that is y is equal to mx plus c. Do you remember what is this? This is a equation of a straight line. This is a equation of a straight line in mathematics. Now, you compare this with this. So you don't have any constant. So seeing that in horizontal vertical coefficient, okay, vertical component, okay, C is a vertical component. Now you don't have the point itself starts at origin, okay, point around vertical shift graph வந்து vertical ஆரம்பிக்குதா, y axis ல எங்கயாவது பாயிண்ட் ஆரம்பிக்கிறதா இந்த C ஓட வேல்யூ இல்ல, இனிஷியலா அது 0 ல ஆரம்பிக்குது, okay, x is 0. அப்ப there is no here C equal to 0 when I compare this and this. What is y? Fs. What is m? M equal to negative k. What is x? X equal to the same x. And the x and x is same now. So y equal to mx oda line empty irukum standard. The value of y equal to mx is graphical. If this is x and this is y equal to mx. M is any integer y equal to x. M oda value 1 na y equal to x. If value of m is 2, y equal to 2x. It may be any value of m. Okay. So now I have got y equal to 1x. So it's linear. If m equal to 1, then the equation will be y equal to x. So the line will be same. Now x is any value other value now by the same value I am getting for y. Now you say similarly I am drawing this. The same way I am drawing this. Now but what is the value of m? M is negative k. M is not positive here. M is negative k. So k ஏதோ ஒரு நம்பரா இருக்கலாம் ஆனா வேல்யூ என்னது? K it may be any positive number but it front ல எனக்கு ஒரு negative sign இருக்கு. அப்ப நான் 1 கொடுத்தா k க்கு 1 கொடுத்தா the value will become -1. Okay? So for any value of x, so Fs equal to negative k times x. So for all the positive values of x, listen students, k is positive da ana munnadi or negative irukku. So for all positive values of x, total multiply panna enakku negative fs oda value enadhu negative la da irukum. Okay, so if x is positive, fs is negative. Clear? So if x is positive, fs is negative. Then if x is negative, fs is positive. You write this students, idu bookla ungalku mention pannirukka maataanga. Okay, idu apply write pannீங்க. If x is positive, then fs is negative. Then if x is negative, fs is positive. You can check for any integers. So x க்கு நான் 2 கொடுக்கிறேன். Okay, k க்கு 1 கொடுக்கிறேன். For example, x equal to 2, k equal to 1. So what is fs? Fs is negative 1 into 2, that is negative 2. You got it? Similarly, if x equal to -2 போட்டா என்ன ஆகும்? Fs will become negative into negative. Fs will be positive. So the same thing I am drawing here. So x is positive and fs of value enna irukum? So plus x. This is minus x. This is positive. This is negative. So x is positive and fs of value will be negative. Here the same. Okay. So this expression, if find out what is the expression we added. So the area under this curve. What is the area under this curve? So this is a right angle triangle. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. So the area under this curve will give the work done. The area under this curve will give the work done. So the area is equal to minus k xm square by 2. So until this it is xm. This is k xm minus k xm, the height. So either this is a right angle triangle. What is the area? Half bh. that is the area, that is half BH. So breadth is xm, height is negative k xm, that is half breadth is xm into negative k xm. xm ங்கிறது என்னன்னா maximum point. Maximum point நான் அதோட வேல்யூ சொல்றேன். I am telling the value of x, that is the maximum point. So negative k xm square by 2. So this gives the work done at the maximum point. So either you can write as an expression by derivation, or you can derive in this manner. So if you are asked to represent the expression using graphical method, you have to use this. On the graphical graph in the expression denote பண்ணனும்னா இப்படி தான் நீங்க காமிக்கணும். Okay, F is equal to, how do you relate F force and the displacement using a graph, or derive the work done using the graphical method அப்படினா this is the way you have to do. The xm denotes the maximum displacement. Have you done, friends? Okay, students.